What's up everybody, it's Wyatt with WC Fishing. We're back with another video and we're headed back to the inlet, and today we got a lot going on. So first off, I'm meeting up with my friend Abdel, who runs the YouTube channel All Day Fishing. Be sure to check his stuff out if you like my inlet videos. He crushes it. But we're gonna go and get some snapper that are out there for dinner. Hopefully get a bunch of keepers of those, be able to take them home. And then I also have my buddy James, who I've met through shark fishing, who's driving up here to fish the inlet, has never caught a snook before, so hopefully we're gonna put him on some of those. And chances are, I'm probably gonna go for a black tip from the south side of the inlet because I haven't done that in a very long time, and I think it'll be a good time to do. But anyway, there's a lot of fishing going on today. Stay tuned. There we go. There's one. Mangrove Snapper over here at Sebastian Inlet.
A what?
Let's get a measurement.
30
It's 10.5. Abdel, you want this one?
Yeah, man. Yeah. 15 between all of us.
It's 10.5. Let's go. There we go.
Someone got another.
There's another one.
You want to go there, cut the neck? A group.
Oh! How about that?
I caught a small one
Is that a
yesterday.
gag?
Yeah, it's a mini gag. Gag or bad, black, I don't know.
How about that? It's the first grouper. Well, no, I've caught a Goliath. But other than that, it's the first grouper I've ever gotten. Nice little, I guess it's a gag grouper according to Abdel over here, right? Is that what it is? Cool. It's obviously too small to keep. So there he goes. That was kind of neat. Oh! Oh! I was just messing with the camera and got 8. Whoo, there we go. That's another good mangrove. De-hooked itself too. Oh yeah, he's 11.5. Let's go. That was a weird thing to fight that one in, but we got it. The shrimp is working for us. Big, but he was right. What was that, Rio? Huh?
Hey.
Huh?
I didn't expect you to hit me with it. I was like,
He
why
was
is
right.
Abdel getting close to me?
He was right, it is a big puffer. And there he goes.
Yeah.
First time at the inlet, absolutely bowed up. Let's go. I don't know, I think he's right. I don't know that that is a jack. He's not giving you head shakes. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a snook.
Get down there, Wyatt.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Here.
That's a big snook, dude. Where you at?
Right up in front of you. We're bringing mine to you.
What pound leader?
30.
Let's go, Jay!
Yeah, man.
Woo!
36.
Let's go. That's a good snook right there.
Here, hold on.
Got him?
Yeah, I got it.
Ah.
Yes, sir! Oh, man. Dude,
Hold him up.
that was cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The first snook. Oh, she's good. You! Dude! That's insane.
Oh, man.
Let's go. Chains on another one. You got him?
Yeah.
He's right there to your right. I cannot believe that. He sticks Another one. That one's a good 34.
Yeah, he's probably more like 30.
No way. He's elite. He's over slot for sure.
Nah, he's a keeper.
I bet you he's 33. Dang, son.
Nah, he ain't 33.
You. Taking another. There he is. There he is. Yeah, there he is. Woo! Yeah, he's there now.
Get him on that lady.
On the jack. We got him stopped. So I haven't gone over it, but this is a brand new setup. Well, brand new to me. It's rather used, but it is a Daiwa BG 8500 on a Penn Battalion 12-foot rod that I bought off my buddy Matt, specifically for catching sharks. Ugh. Oh, he's sitting out there in the current. While I can,
drag him to the beach.
We're gonna walk to the beach.
Grab the net. Yeah, our little mate's going.
Oh, it's been a very long time since I've fished sharks from this side. Woo! 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 He's angry now. Now we got him beachside. Time to run down the beach. And actually, oh my God. This is a good sized shark. Let's keep going down the beach a little bit, and then I will sit down and lay heat to this fish. This setup is a little bit longer than what I'm used to. And while it helps you cast a lot further, it gives the shark a lot more of an advantage. That looks about good. Now we can really start gaining on him. This genuinely feels like it might be not a tipper. If it is, it's a very big one. This might be a 5-foot bull or a very big, like 6-foot blacktip.
Everything under control.
Yeah, you want to land a tipper for me? James coming in at the perfect time. Ugh. Just to your left. Can one of you guys hold on to this for me?
Here you go. Pliers.
Yeah. Woo! That's a good tipper.
Yeah.
That's about 6 foot. There we go. Hooks out. Let's go. That's a good 6 foot, very healthy tipper.
Yo, your angle just almost got it right there.
Ah. She didn't like that one, but
There you are.
that's a good 6 foot tipper right there. Very healthy, very fun from the south side of the inlet. I haven't done that in a long time. This is definitely my biggest one from there. Let's go. Time to get her back. There she goes. Woo! How about that for a day at the inlet? Not bad. I went home with 4 keeper snapper. I didn't get them all on video, but I left with 4. Rio left with 5 and Abdel left with 5. Be sure to check out his channel, All Day Fishing, if you want to see his half of that. But James came out, caught his first snook ever at a 36, and then caught another one on top of that, which was awesome. I tried snook fishing for a while. I couldn't get lucky enough to get one, but I did put a 6-foot blacktip on the beach, so that was a super good time. I forgot how much fun fighting those sharks are from the south side of the inlet. All in all, very successful fishing trip to just go out there and try to find fish of all sorts. It really worked out well. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Keep fishing. Enjoy it.